So we're about to do another hike, our second hike of the day, to Holmes Chapel Falls. It's supposed to be about 4/10 of a mile. The problem is we didn't download the map before we lost coverage, so we're gonna guess on where the trail starts and
chase some waterfalls.
Try to chase a waterfall. Well, I think that the falls that we're supposed to see is dry, because I think we're walking in the creek bed right now. And I believe the falls would normally be right up in front of us. But if it is, then there wouldn't be any falls here today. We shall see in just a second. Just hang with me just another moment or two. And you can see the falls as we come to the very edge.
Oh.
And you can look down, because that's where it should be. We're standing at the top of the falls.
My gosh.
We'll walk around in a second, and I'm not getting any closer to the edge because I'm scared of heights. I don't think you can see much of this in the video, but there would be the falls where we were standing a minute ago. Trail down, looks like it's a little grown over, so we're not going to go down there, especially since there's no water. Yep, so down there would be the falls, if there was any water.